Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Chocolate Heart Thumbprint Cookies for Valentine's Day. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Add 226 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of cane sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and then continue to cream the butter and sugar for about 5 minutes. It will turn light in color and it will look fluffy. Next, add in 1 large egg and mix for a few rotations. Last, add in 383 grams of all-purpose flour and mix to combine into a smooth cookie dough. I'm using Lake Champlain organic chocolate hearts for these thumbprint cookies. I'm using both milk and dark chocolate, but you can use either one if you prefer. Using your hands, form the dough into 24 balls and place them on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets. Once the cookies are balled, press a chocolate heart into the center of each one. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 19 minutes or until the cookies are lightly browned on the bottoms. I hope you enjoy these simple Valentine's Day cookies made with organic ingredients as much as I do. If you want more organic Valentine's Day recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.